Select all the cells in the sheet. Right-click on the highlighted area and select Format Cells. In the new window and in the Protection tab, uncheck the locked box and click OK. Select columns for which you would like to disable Unhiding. Right-click on the highlighted columns and select Format Cells again. Now check the locked box in the Protection tab and click OK. To hide the selected columns, navigate to Format option. Select Hide and Unhide, and then click on Unhide Columns. Now go to the Review tab and click on the Protect Sheet option. The boxes for Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked Cells have to be ticked. Now enter your password, verify it, and press OK. Now if someone tries to unhide the columns which you selected, the Unhide option will fade out and it will be disabled.